Hello everyone, welcome to Brain Blitz Audios. In this episode of Cbse board exam, we'll be dealing with previous year questions of mathematics in Cbse board exam. Today we're going to be dealing with the chapter 3-dimensional geometry. This is the 11th chapter in the grade 12 syllabus for Cbse. And we've done a couple of other episodes about 3-dimensional geometry, so be sure to check those out in the description down below. I'll be attaching a link for the same. Let's begin with the first question. Write the vector equation of the plane passing through the point ABC and parallel to the plane vector R dot iˆ plus jˆ plus kˆ is equal to 2. So let's write that in the proper manner. So this equation is R bar dot iˆ plus jˆ plus kˆ is equal to 2. So this is the given plane. We need to find the vector equation of a plane passing through a point ABC and which is parallel to the plane given. Now, a vector equation is of the form R bar dot N bar is equal to P. So in this question, we know that the plane that we need to find is parallel to the plane vector R dot iˆ plus jˆ plus kˆ is equal to 2. So the normal equation of the normal vector of the plane will be equal to iˆ plus jˆ plus kˆ, because for parallel planes, the direction ratios or DRs have to be the same. And the DRs are represented in a vector equation by the normal to the plane. So N bar is equal to iˆ plus jˆ plus kˆ. Now let's move on to the right-hand side. The plane in question is passing through a point ABC. So the point P, the constant P, will be equal to A plus B plus C. And the reason why is we're using the form x2 minus x1 plus y2 minus y1 plus z2 minus z1. And over here, x1, y1, and z1 are 0. So therefore, we have P is equal to A plus B plus C. The point here has the vector AI plus BJ plus CK. And when we look at its line, when we look at the distance between the line and the origin, we get the dot product as x2 minus x1 plus y2 minus y1 plus z2 minus z1, which is A plus B plus C. That is the constant on the right-hand side. So the equation of the plane is R bar dot iˆ plus jˆ plus kˆ is equal to A plus B plus C. This is the vector equation of the plane. Let's move on to our next question. Find the length of the perpendicular drawn from the origin to the plane 2x minus 3y plus 6z plus 11 plus 21 is equal to 0. So this equation can be written as 2x minus 3y plus 6z is equal to minus 21. And this is similar to the Cartesian equation of the plane. Ax plus by plus cz is equal to d. So now we have the Cartesian equation of the plane. In the question, it's given that we have to find the length of the perpendicular drawn from the origin. So suppose we have a plane, and the plane is 2x minus 3y plus 6z is equal to minus 21, and a point which is perpendicular to the plane is given as 0, 0, 0, the origin. So now we need to find this distance d. So the distance between a point, the perpendicular distance between a point and a plane. And that is given by the formula ax plus by plus cz minus d divided by root of a squared plus b squared plus c squared. And the whole quantity is inside a modulus. So now let's list out the quantities. 0, 0, 0 are x, y, z respectively. Capital A is 2, capital B is minus 3, capital C is 6, and capital D is minus 21. Let's plug in the values. So D is equal to 2 times 0 minus 3 times 0 plus 6 times 0 minus of minus 21, whole divided by 2 square plus 3 square plus minus 3 the whole square plus 6 square whole root. And this everything is under a modulus. So all of these will be 0, and minus of minus 21 will give you 21, divided by 2 square is 4, minus 3 square is 9, 6 square is 36, so that is 36 plus 13, which will be equal to 49. So the distance will be equal to the modulus of 21 divided by root 49. So it'll be equal to 21 divided by 7. And 7 goes into 21 3 times. So the distance d is equal to 3 units. These can be centimeters, meters, anything. However, we write 3 units. So the distance between the origin and the plane 2x minus 3y plus 6z plus 21 equals 0 is 3 units. Let's move on to our final question. Find the value of lambda, such as the line x minus 2 by 6 is equal to y minus 1 by lambda is equal to z plus 5 by minus 4 is perpendicular to the plane 3x minus y minus 2z is equal to 7. So the line x minus 2 by 6 is equal to y minus 1 by lambda is equal to z plus 5 by minus 4 is perpendicular to the plane r bar dot 3I minus j minus 2k is equal to 7. So the line is perpendicular to the plane. And since the normal to the plane is also perpendicular to the plane, we can write x minus 2 by 6 is equal to y minus 1 by lambda is equal to z plus 5 by minus 4 is parallel to the normal 3I minus j minus 2k. So when lines are parallel, so the normal is also a vector and the line is also a vector. So when these two lines are parallel, their dr, that is the direction ratios, are proportional. So over here, it'll be A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. So that means the ratio for these quantities have to be the same. So let's plug A1 as the direction ratios of the line. So A by capital A is equal to B by capital B is equal to C by capital C. So 6 is A, lambda is small b, minus 4 is small c, and 3 is capital A, minus 1 is capital B, minus 2 is capital C. So now let's plug in the values. So A is given as 6. So 6 divided by capital A is 3, is equal to small b is lambda divided by capital B is minus 1, is equal to small c is minus 4 divided by capital C is minus 2. So 3 goes into 6 2 times, and minus gets cancelled. 2 goes into 4 2 times. So therefore, lambda divided by minus 1 is equal to 2, because all of these ratios are equal. So therefore, we can conclude lambda as minus 2. So therefore, we find out the value of lambda for the line x minus 2 by 6, y is equal to y minus 1 by lambda is equal to z plus 5 by minus 4, such that the line is perpendicular to a plane 3x minus y minus 2z is equal to 7. The value of lambda here is minus 2. And that ends this episode of Cbse board exam. So we have a lot of videos in our belt about chapters such as relations functions, inverse trigonometric functions, matrices, determinants, etc. So I'll provide a description containing the link to our playlist Cbse board exam. Be sure to check it out after the video. And if you want to access more of our useful and interesting content, such as learn words, NEET preparation, mind maps, etc., then please subscribe to our channel, Brain Blitz Audios. So until the next exciting episode, take care, stay safe, bye-bye for now.